Do you love football? What if I told you that with just 1,500 naira, you could start earning money daily by using nothing but your football knowledge? I'm not talking about sports betting. This is FantasyFi, where your skills decide if you cash out or crash out. In this video, I'll show you how people are making over 240,000 naira from just one contest. I'll walk you through real contests I played, show you proof of earnings, and teach you how to play smart, not just hard. FantasyFi is a fantasy sports platform, like Dream 11 or Sarare, but this one is built for Africa with naira payouts, low entry costs, and skill-based competitions. You don't bet on outcomes. You build a fantasy team. Points are earned based on player performance. You climb a leaderboard, and the higher you go, the more you earn. See this match? 1,546 naira to enter. First place wins 241,000 naira. Even finishing in the top 400 gets your money back. Let me show you how to start from scratch, even with no deposit. 1. Create a free account with my link in the description. 2. Earn welcome bonus. Mine was a few naira plus 65 coins. 3. Use coins to enter contests or redeem for cash. 4. You can top up via bank, card, or mobile money. Simple and instant. This is your wallet dashboard. Everything is clear: winnings, deposits, coins. No hidden tricks. Here's where it gets fun. You don't need luck, just football brain. Step 1. Pick a match like, for example, Real Madrid versus Al Hilal. Step 2. Build your team. Choose players likely to perform well. Step 3. Join a contest. Minimum 200 naira. Maximum is 1,546 naira or more. The smarter your picks, the higher your points, and the higher you climb the ranks. Pro tip: pick defenders from strong teams and midfielders who create chances. Don't just pick stars, pick smart. I played these 4 contests, and here's what I won. Monterrey versus Inter, 48,371 naira. Fluminense versus Dortmund, 54,612 naira. Spain versus Italy, 10,142 naira. River Plate versus Urawa, 15,603 naira. And I only entered with 12K total. That's nearly 130,000 naira in returns. Here's what I did differently. I didn't just follow hype. I checked recent form, likely starting lineups, and expected game flow. If you want to be profitable, you need a game plan. Here's mine. Join contests early. Fewer players equals better odds. Use coins wisely. Save them for high-value contests. Play multiple contests. Don't put all funds in one. Track scoring trends. What earns most points? Goals, saves, assists, and don't sleep on the middle ranks. Even rank 20 earns 4,800 naira in some games. There are players flipping 1,500 naira into weekly incomes. A friend of mine started with a 5K deposit and is now sitting at over 300,000 naira in total wins. You don't need to be a gambler. Just be a fan who watches the game with focus. Quick warning: don't do this if you want to win consistently. Don't blindly pick your favorite team. Don't go all in on one contest. Don't ignore defense. They win games and points. Avoiding these alone will boost your wins by at least 30%. This platform is still new. That means less competition, bigger payouts, and better odds for early users. Soon, everyone will catch on. FantasyFi is the future of football rewards in Africa. Simple UI. Instant payout. Big cash wins. Hit that like button if you learned something and subscribe to this channel. Share this with your football group chat. And most importantly, click the link below and start building your dream team today. Don't just watch football. Win with it. I'm out.